This is a vehicle anti-theft alarm. Of course, you can use it for any cool bicycles. Very good. This is the second one of this type I've gotten. And they are A1 quality, excellent, for $16. But you can see how this goes on here, and I showed you the last one, I think. But this goes right on the keychain. Excellent. A triple plus. Adjustable volume. The highest is, it'll hurt your ears, it's so loud.
If you can help us to understand how you view how
And one charge lasts a long time.
Prime Minister Netanyahu suggested Israel would have a role to play for a
And anyway,
definite period. Yesterday he seemed to moderate those comments.
highly recommend.
Will Israel also commit to not annexing any of the territory of Gaza? How does Israel see its role?
All right, so today I'm doing a quick rundown of what comes in the box of this alarm. So this is super loud. It comes with that. You can attach it. It's just like a car. It is rechargeable with a USB-C. As you can see, there's a little tab right there. And it comes with a cable. You got some screwing on latches that you can put on. But I'm going to be putting it on to a scooter. And yeah, the battery will last about 3 months, as they say. So as you can see here, it's also waterproof. So, all right, see more videos.